Poor little car.
No, it fared pretty well, actually.
I wasn't going that fast.
Oh, you'd be surprised if you go 40 miles an hour, you'll end up dead
Yeah, I know.
or worse.
I'm just curious what the insurance company is going to say.
Have you ever claimed anything on it before?
Ding on the window, which they said, don't even worry about it, we'll pay for it. It shows that you take good care of your car, that you want to get a ding repaired.
You always use Geico?
Yep. Well, it's still on my parents' insurance. I used Allstate, but Allstate did something really nasty to us. They knew that I bought the car in Anchorage. They knew that I lived up here. But as soon as they were officially told that the car was in Anchorage, or was in Alaska, they canceled the policy. They voided it. They didn't. They said, no, you don't get your...
You don't live at home anymore?
Yep. Well, it wasn't that I don't live at home. It's that they don't insure in the state of Alaska.
Oh, really?
And so they know that I bought it in Anchorage. I don't know what the heck they were thinking. Yeah. No. Well. So this video is going to go on YouTube. My first thing to submit.